Christmas Island, one of nature's miracles. A volcanic peak thrust out of the ocean by the forces of the inner earth. The island has been tamed by man and is now a tourist destination unlike anything you've ever seen before. Spectacular rainforests, teeming with some of the most unusual wildlife in the world today. Crystal clear waters, home to some of the world's most beautiful creatures. Caves and blowholes that remind us of the island's volcanic origins. All set in splendor in the Indian Ocean, 360 kilometers from the coast of Java. Christmas Island is an external territory of Australia. 4 hours flying time from Perth, 2 hours from Singapore, or only 50 minutes from Jakarta. The 135 square kilometer island is a land of cultural diversity. Australians, Malays and Chinese have each contributed to the Christmas Island personality. Food, language, customs and lifestyle have combined to create an unusual settlement of only 2,500 people. Today, the focus of Christmas Island is the Christmas Island Resort, an international resort hotel with all the facilities you would expect of a unique destination. The service begins the moment you land at the international airport, with free transfers to the resort, where you'll be greeted by friendly staff who'll make sure your stay is memorable. The gymnasium with sauna and massage, lobby shop, duty-free boutique, pearl boutique, and video arcade for kids are all there for your pleasure. The pool complex is set on the cliff top, overlooking the sea, and offers some unusual drinking companions. The resort restaurants include the Golden Bird for Asian cuisine at its best, and there's also the Waterfall Cafe for international eating. The Ocean View Lounge is a live music bar featuring some of Asia's top bands in nightly entertainment. Poolside parties are a spectacular event with music, dancing, even fireworks. Or a smaller poolside barbecue gives the Australian tradition an oriental flavour. Most of the guest rooms and suites feature spectacular views across the Indian Ocean. Full service includes IDD phones, satellite TV, minibar, 24-hour room service. And if this isn't enough for a resort holiday to remember, there's Asia's most intimate casino. The Christmas Island Resort Casino offers 3 levels of play, from the International Room, including video and electronic games, to the Regency Room, featuring roulette, baccarat, mini baccarat, and blackjack around the clock, to the exclusive privacy of the Diamond Room. Table limits are probably the best to be found in the region, and our professional, friendly staff ensure discretion and security. If you need to stay in touch with your business while away, the resort offers translation and secretarial services and small conference facilities. But we're betting that with the attractions of Christmas Island, you won't want to spend too much time doing business. There's a round of golf to be had on the island's club course. We'll even lend you the clubs. There's mountain biking through the rainforest on our fleet of free bikes. And it's while you're on one of these excursions that the dramatic diversity of Christmas Island will begin to unfold. The virgin rainforest that cloaks most of the island is home to one of nature's spectacles. Over 120 million land crabs. The natural migration of these crabs forms an army which marches across the island to the sea, starting in early November for up to 3 months each year. This is one of the wonders of the natural world and is unique to Christmas Island. Another unique land crab marvel is the tree-climbing robber crab. This crab, while harmless, has powerful claws capable of stripping a coconut. The Christmas Island Air Force is made up of the gliding frigate birds, the rare booby bird, and the golden bosun, all to be seen in the most breathtaking scenery. The rainforest is among the world's most unspoiled and most beautiful. It can be explored from the comfort of four-wheel drive vehicles trekking along miles of unused mining tracks. There are either guided tours, or you can rent your own four-wheel drive vehicle and explore for yourself. And here there are no snakes, no poisonous spiders. These are just some of the attractions on the land. But there are even greater adventures waiting on and in the sea. The rocky volcanic nature of the island means that where the land meets the sea, some of the world's most beautiful coral gardens have developed, teeming with tropical fish. Scuba diving and snorkeling on these corals is nothing short of spectacular. From November to January, the seas around the island are home to the mighty whale shark, a tame and friendly denizen that will not object to the interest of a scuba diving intruder. All scuba and snorkeling equipment and fully qualified diving instructors are available to assist the adventurers. If this is not enough, there's game fishing from professionally outfitted sports fishing boats.
There you go. You've got to be happy with that.
What fish is it?
A bit of a pig, aren't they? They pull well.
Catches can be unbelievable.
All right.
To top off a day of energetic activity, a view of the sunset is the best way to relax before returning to the irresistible comfort of the resort. Christmas Island is one of nature's paradises, an idyllic natural reserve with some of the most unique wildlife you'll see anywhere. A sea park of unparalleled diversity. And nestled amongst all this, a unique resort and casino. Here you'll find the cleanest air you ever breathed. No traffic jams, no traffic lights, in fact, hardly any traffic. Christmas Island is a tropical destination with a difference. There are small, secluded beaches without crowds, without litter. There's a wonderland of wildlife, so tame and undisturbed, you can walk amongst it in complete safety and enjoy nature as it was centuries ago. Christmas Island is the holiday destination you will remember. Truly, the Indian Ocean adventure.